Okay, another interesting part of Revit is how you can get schedules or lists or keynotes, all types of ways of conglomerating or accreting different pieces of data. And so there's one that's in particularly useful to us. It's under the View tab. It's called Make Schedules. And they've got pre-made schedules for lots and lots of things. So let's take a look at it. If we take a look at the schedules and I make a new schedule as an example, I can make schedules out of all these things. And these are based on what contractors usually want to see. I want to see all the ducts, or I want to see all the transformers, or I want to see all the fire stuff or all the floors. So there's all of these categories of schedules that you can use. Let's say that I'm interested. Let's look at this view here just to show you sort of how it works. If I highlight that, it tells me there are three topo solids in this view. And I'm going to guess that this is one of them, this is another, and this is another. And it's modeled that way because this is Arneson Park, this is Moore and Bonnard, and this is the utility zone where the utilities are going to end up and where they actually are sort of already there. So we might want to list that and know about it. What is the area of each one? What is the perimeter of each one? What is the highest elevation of each one? What are the slopes like? What are they made out of? Things like that. About this, when you look at other schedules, there are other things that people know that Revit knows that the contractors want, and those pop up. Okay, so let's see if I can make one of those. I'll go to Schedules and I'll look for Topography. And in this case, they're called Topo Solids. RST Topo Solids. And yeah, the things in the thing. I'll look at the things, new construction or existing. We'll deal with that another time. But look, under that, there's all these things that it knows that you want to know. So it might be something like the name, and then you press the little thing, maybe the area, and maybe the perimeter. Those would be things that would be of interest. And you can reorder them with the little reorder key yourself. And then there's all sorts of things you can do. You can put filters on so you only look at one type of topo solid. And you can sort them and group them and do their appearance and everything. But we're just going to come here and look, there it is. Topo solid. There's one called Arneson Park, Moore and Bonnard Utility Zone. There's the areas in square feet. There's the perimeter in feet and inches. And you have tons of control over these that are part of another class. And we'll do a little bit in this class. But that's to show you that all of these schedules sort of exist and are there for you. And they're really for the different contractors, and in this case the land planners, that need data and information.